Understanding the phrase, set the ball rolling, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting English phrase, set the ball rolling. This phrase is commonly used in both casual and formal conversations. Understanding its meaning and usage will help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's dive in. In this section, we'll look at where the phrase, set the ball rolling, comes from. It's believed to have originated from sports or games where a ball is physically rolled to start the action. This historical context helps us understand its metaphorical use in modern English. Here, we'll discuss the meaning of the phrase. To set the ball rolling means to start something, especially a process or an event. It's often used when someone initiates an activity that encourages others to join in or when starting a process that will continue. We'll explore some examples to make this clear. In this part, we'll see how set the ball rolling is used in different sentences. We'll look at examples in various contexts like business meetings, social gatherings, and even in personal goal setting. This will help you apply the phrase in real-life situations. There are other expressions in English that convey a similar meaning. We'll explore phrases like kick things off, get the ball rolling, and start the ball rolling. Understanding these will enrich your vocabulary and enhance your conversational skills. We hope this video helped you understand the phrase, set the ball rolling. Remember, learning such phrases not only improves your English but also helps you connect better in conversations. Keep practicing, and you'll sound like a native in no time. See you in our next video.